Imagine waking up tomorrow and finding a secret door in your room that wasn't there yesterday. You open it, and behind it is an entire hidden world. A real place, living, breathing, and somehow always right next to you. Sounds impossible, right? But what if it actually happened? Let's say one day you notice a tiny crack in your wall. Not a normal crack, this one glows slightly. You lean closer, and suddenly the wall opens like a curtain. Behind it is a massive landscape. Forests, oceans, cities, maybe even strange creatures walking around like it's totally normal. So where did this world come from? First possibility, it's been here the whole time, just hidden from human senses. Think about it. We only see a tiny part of reality. Our eyes detect a small range of light. Our ears hear limited sound frequencies. Dogs smell things we never notice. Bats use sound to see. So what if an entire world exists just outside our perception, like a different channel on the same TV? Your hidden world could exist in the same physical space as ours, but vibrating at a different level. Once you discover how to tune in, boom, new universe unlocked. But let's go further. What if this hidden world is extremely small, like microscopic small? You shrink down, and suddenly a drop of water becomes an ocean. A grain of sand becomes a mountain. Tiny organisms become enormous alien beasts. This already kind of exists. A single teaspoon of soil contains billions of living things. Entire ecosystems are fighting, hunting, building, and surviving right under your feet every day. If you could enter that scale, you'd discover a world more crowded than any city on Earth. Now imagine the opposite. What if the hidden world is huge, but folded into space like origami? Scientists actually talk about the possibility of extra dimensions, spaces curled up so tightly we can't normally see them. If one suddenly unfolded in your house, your living room might stretch into a continent. Your closet could become a desert, your kitchen sink could lead to an alien ocean, and your Wi-Fi signal would probably get very confused. But discovering a hidden world isn't just exciting, it would completely change science. First, physics would need rewriting. If another world can exist right next to ours, then reality is much stranger than we thought. Second, biology would explode with new discoveries, new life forms, new ecosystems, maybe even intelligent civilizations that developed without humans ever noticing. And that leads to the biggest question. What if the hidden world already knows about us? Think about it. If you just discovered them, maybe they discovered you first. Maybe they've been watching humans the way we watch animals in nature documentaries. Here we see the human in its natural habitat, scrolling endlessly. Awkward. Communication would be another challenge. Different world means different rules. Maybe their time moves faster. 1 second for you could be a year for them. Or their physics could work differently. Gravity might pull sideways, fire might freeze things, and walking might require bouncing. You'd basically be an interdimensional tourist trying not to embarrass your species. But here's the real twist, the biggest, most surprising possibility. Discovering a hidden world might reveal that our world is the hidden one. What if we're just a tiny layer of reality inside something much bigger? Like fish discovering water, only to learn they're inside a massive aquarium. The universe could be full of worlds stacked together, each unaware of the others. Your discovery wouldn't just reveal a secret place, it would reveal that reality itself has levels. And honestly, that's not completely crazy. Every time science builds better tools, telescopes, microscopes, particle detectors, we discover something new that was always there. From bacteria to galaxies, hidden worlds keep showing up. So maybe the universe still has many more secrets waiting. If you discovered a hidden world, you wouldn't just explore a new place, you'd change humanity's understanding of existence. You'd prove reality is bigger, stranger, and far more mysterious than we ever imagined. And who knows, maybe the next time you notice something strange, a flicker in the corner of your eye, a sound with no source, a door that wasn't there before, you might want to check, just in case. If you enjoyed exploring this what if, hit like, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more mind-bending questions about our universe. Because sometimes the biggest discoveries are hiding right next to you.